Guys, what we have here, what an amazing surprise.
It is a surprise, and I want to show you how to bring a simple beetroot to completely another level. And the dish that everyone falls in love, even the people that don't like beetroot, like you.
Let's go. Hello food lover, this is Cookcast. We are in Egle's kitchen. Well known as Another Bite, she runs food agency. We are glad to be with you today.
Thank you, Federico, for introduction, and thank you, Cookcast, for having me in your show. And today I want to cook for you guys a couple of my favorite dishes, and I hope you're gonna help me.
Let's start.
Okay, so the main ingredient is the beetroot. So Federico, I hope you're gonna help me with this.
Vamos.
That's for you, and this is for me. Do you like broccoli?
No,
Well, actually, I'll ask this question after we prepare this dish, and then you let me know.
Maybe I will change mine.
Well, that's my goal, actually. All the beetroot goes to the tray.
Okay, let's try to do the less mess possible.
You can do it. Teamwork. The next step is very easy. We just need a good extra virgin olive oil. We need some salt, pepper, and a bit of garlic. I like them just to squash with a knife, and we just put in.
Okay.
And anyone who gets it in the plate is a lucky person, because that will be the best part of it. Good amount of good olive oil, salt, just a little bit.
Love the thyme.
I love fresh herbs. Like, herbs is my weakness. Do you think I should put some black pepper? Okay. And voila, we just need to mix in and cover all the pieces with olive oil, and we place it to the oven for a good 50 minutes on 180.
We are ready to go.
Okay, and this is the key part of the dish. This is orange and thyme sauce, and I'll show you how to cut the orange so it's not bitter. The most important part is to avoid the white parts of the orange. And this is it, this is the final result. We will start with heating a little bit of olive oil, then we'll put oranges, we'll put some fresh chili, fresh thyme, we'll grate some lemon zest and squeeze lemon juice, we'll crack some black pepper, and we'll finish up with a little bit of vegetable stock, and we'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes.
I go chopping this?
Could you chop some of the chilies for me? And here we go with some lemon zest. I love lemon juice and lemon zest, so I pretty much use it in all my dishes. Fede, what are you doing?
I feel some sweetness coming up. Fantastic one.
I think it's never too much lemon juice, so let's do a bit more.
Very good lemon, in any situation.
The last ingredient of this sauce is a vegetable stock, which you pour over. That's it. We let it simmer for 20 minutes, half an hour, till it gets thicker, and we will taste it to adjust if we need more salt or pepper. Fede, we have half an hour to kill. What should we do?
Aperitivo?
Yeah! Fede, I want you to try my ultimate snack of the last years, because it contains all my favorite flavors. So we'll have buttery bread, crunchy buttery bread, we'll have creamy burrata, we'll have perfectly salty anchovies, we'll have some of the lemon zest and lemon juice, a little kick of chili, good olive oil, and some fresh thyme. So all this combination is like bomb.
How you say, bruschetta or bruschetta?
Bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
Jesus.
She knows how much be.
Dio mio.
Dio mio.
So you can actually toast the bread in the oven or in the toaster, but the real deal is to fry it in the butter, because the buttery, crunchy bread is another level.
Usually I do with oil.
Because you're Italian. I think the best thing in the kitchen is fat, because fat makes everything taste better.
Always when I say touch of oil, I put a bit more than a touch. Crispy as we like.
Oh, look perfect. Federico, you are master at cutting chilies, so do that.
I'm going.
And okay, I'll start with our bruschettas. I mean, it's super easy, but so much flavor. I hope you're hungry.
Very.
Always.
Next question,
Next
please.
question. So we need creamy burrata, which we can just cut in, yeah.
This is porn food.
I know, this creaminess.
How you can call it? Just porn food. What you want? Burrata and bread already are a perfect match. Never waste the food. For more of this fun food, remember to subscribe our channel and don't forget the bell.
The key ingredient of this dish is good anchovies. Not just any random anchovies, good Cantabrian anchovies, good quality ones. Remember that. Look at this. They're just perfect. So silky. Do you like anchovies?
Of course. Mediterranean flavor, pure Mediterranean flavor.
Do you know that I started to eat anchovies only like 4 years ago? Before I hated them. But one day I was in Milan and my friend said, you have to try this little tin of anchovies. And my reaction was the same. It changed my life basically. It changed my way to see anchovies. And I think I never had good anchovies before. But I love a good touch of some freshness. Some freshness, a little bit of a hint of chili. Just a little kick, because they think chili and salt elevates the flavor. Some lemon zest.
Ah, you like that my friend had put lemon everywhere.
Just a tiny of a lemon juice, good crack of black pepper, and the key element, good olive oil. Tiny bit of salt. Da-da-da-da. What do you think?
Can I try it?
Doesn't remind you home?
Yeah, I fly now in south of Italy, I said you.
Just smell it.
I see Bari, a bit of Calabria, Campania, till my home.
Shall we? Let's go.
Wow.
What do you think?
Perfetto. Lemon, anchovy, the touch of thyme.
Chili, the crunchiness, the butter.
There is everything.
It's everything. Like
Perfect
perfect,
snack.
perfect bite.
Egle! Burrochele are ready. Look the color.
Yay,
And they smell
perfect.
super good.
This garlic, it's very nice when you squeeze it out and leave in the dish. So someone who gets it, it's very like a person. So the sauce is ready. It's like reduction of the oranges, thyme, and the veggie broth. And we have the whipped goat cheese. You just just buy any creamy goat cheese and you just whip it with a little spoon till it's very smooth and creamy. And what I do, I just place like little spoons of this goat cheese on top. I like it creamy, so I have like more different flavors and textures. Another important thing, as I said, I love different textures, so creamy, crunchy. So, and I love nuts a lot. All the nuts have to be roasted in the oven for at least 10 minutes. So we have hazelnuts that we already roasted in the oven for 10 minutes and then we chopped it. You just sprinkle on top. It just gives a nice flavor when you eat it and you smell this thyme. And we go some salt flakes, a good olive oil, just a tiny bit to finish up.
It's time for testing.
Peter,
Lady first.
you will love it.
I want to try to get all. I have everything. Nuts,
I want to see what you're gonna tell. If you still
cheesy cream. Wow. That salt brings the beetroot in another level. Fantastico!
told you, and it's so easy to make.
Good job. So the pan have to be always wet. The pan, I said.
Yeah. So, how many bruschettas would you like?
It's always one, not enough. I don't know how to say. Need always one more.
So,
we are always in time to make more, unless doesn't finish the burrata. Always when I say touch of oil, I put a bit more than a touch.